Hello, today we're going to look at how you can customize the ribbon. So this is all of the menu items up here at the top of Microsoft Project, and just add your own tab or edit the existing tabs so that you can get to features that you use really often easily. So I'm just going to go to File, Options, and Customize Ribbon. I'm going to reset it because I've been playing around with it already. There we go. All right, now what we're going to do is pop back in and I will set up my own tab, which will have a few features and functions that I use a lot and I want to be able to get at easily. Okay, so I'm going to click New Tab. I'll call it My Tab. And then I'm going to rename this new group Zoom. And I'm going to grab a couple of functions that I use a lot. Sorry, I just need to grab commands not in the ribbon. Here we go. And I'm going to grab these zoom functions that I use a lot, but actually aren't on the ribbon as standard. Okay. Now, there's also, I'm going to create another group because there's also a couple of other things that I do a lot, like check spelling and save to PDF, which, again, I can't find on the standard ribbon. So I'm going to create a new group called Publish, and this is where I'm going to grab spelling and also PDF or published PDF. Where's that got to? There we go. Publish as PDF or XPS. Okay, so I've got my functions, drag them under my tab. If I just click OK, there you go. You can see my tabs appeared up at the top of the ribbon, and there are the functions that I've added. I hope that's helpful. Like and subscribe for more videos on Microsoft projects.